ARK Invest has just raised its bullish forecast for Bitcoin, projecting a price of $2.4 million by the year 2030. That is a 60% increase compared to their January 2024 outlook. The upgrade comes from new modeling that focuses only on Bitcoin's active supply, leaving out coins that are lost or locked away forever. This bull case suggests Bitcoin could grow at a massive 72% per year until 2030. ARK also shared a base case of $1.2 million, and even in their bear case, Bitcoin would still reach $500,000. Analyst David Puel says Bitcoin's future value will depend on its role in institutional portfolios, its use as digital gold, adoption in emerging markets, national treasury holdings, and on-chain financial services. The optimism about Bitcoin's future is not just about predictions. It is supported by strong activity today. On Thursday alone, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs saw $442 million in net inflows. That made it the fifth day in a row with positive inflows. Earlier in the week, there were even bigger surges, with over $930 million on Tuesday and another $916 million on Wednesday. Even though trading volumes dipped from $4 billion to $2 billion, the appetite for Bitcoin exposure remains strong. This comes against the backdrop of rising tensions between the United States and China, which has rattled global markets. Yet, major indexes like the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and the Dow all posted gains. Bitcoin's reputation is evolving. More and more, it is seen as a powerful hedge against inflation. John D'Agostino from Coinbase Institutional recently explained why on CNBC. He said that big players like sovereign wealth funds and large insurers are now holding Bitcoin because they fear the dollar might weaken. According to D'Agostino, these institutions view Bitcoin as one of the few assets that match gold's traits. It is scarce, portable, immutable, and not controlled by any government. He also explained that Bitcoin is increasingly seen as a backup inflation hedge, especially for investors who missed out on gold's recent rally. In models used by top commodity traders, Bitcoin now consistently ranks among the top 5 inflation hedging assets. The short-term outlook for Bitcoin is also heating up. CoinCodex's algorithmic model predicts that Bitcoin could hit about $130,500 within the next 90 days. This forecast is driven by institutional buying, global liquidity trends, and technical momentum. However, the model also expects a retracement afterward, likely pulling Bitcoin back down to around $100,000. This suggests that while the near-term trend is strong, a cooling-off period might happen mid-year.